How to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the WhatsApp application. Select on the chat or the profile that you want to change the wallpaper for. So as you can see, I've already selected the profile. Now if you want to change the theme for this individual chat, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here you can see different options that are available, and here you can see the option of chat theme. So select on that. As you do that, you can select different wallpapers, different themes over here. So I'm going to select on this one very randomly, and it gives us this preview. So you can select the colors as well, or the select theme and get the preview, and then tap on the check mark if you like it, and then tap on set theme. So if you want to change the wallpaper as well, do the same process on chat theme and select on wallpaper. So let's select this one and then tap on check. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.